We have opened up Photoshop. What we're going to do is reset our default preferences. This is really important because as you follow through the book, your preferences might be something different than in the book. Also, if you're using a lab, say at school or another person's computer, their default preferences would be different. So this is how we go about setting it. Now, if you notice here, we're at the Photoshop file, or at the Photoshop program, and you can see 01n.psd has, that was the last file that I used. We're gonna go ahead and reset. So I'm gonna go ahead and quit Photoshop. And to reset your commands, for Windows are Control-Alt-Shift, and for a Mac are Command-Option-Shift. So I'm on a Mac, and I'm going to use Command-Option-Shift. Now I'm going to open up my Photoshop on my toolbar. So before I open it up, I'm going to press Command-Option-Shift and open up Photoshop. And then it asks me this question. Delete the Adobe Photoshop setting files. And the answer is yes, because we want the original factory presets. And now you can see that file that we previously had is now been removed. To recap, for a Mac, you press Command-Option-Shift. For Windows, you press Control-Alt-Shift. This is how to reset your default preferences. Go ahead and reset your preferences now.